What is up, ninjas? My name is Samworld, and today we're gonna demystify the effect of Matroda's song called Na Na Na, which sounds like this. So as you heard in the intro of this video, that's the effect we're going to be creating in this tutorial, guys. We're going to make me, myself, and Mexican sound nice, sexy, black, tall, manly. Now this tutorial needs to have a little disclaimer like those weight loss infomercials, because depending on your voice, it's really going to vary on how it comes out when you do it, because we all have different pronunciations. I might be a beta male, while you might be a manly male, where you're just talking like a motherfucking G. Motherfucking Drew. Now the purpose of this tutorial, guys, is for you guys to learn the effect and hopefully appreciate the song a bit better, knowing what went into creating that effect on the drop. I know there's gonna be those people out there that hear a song on the radio and they're like, that's so simple, I know how to do that, that ain't shit, that ain't shit. But you gotta keep in mind, just because you know how to do it doesn't mean you would have thought of it in the same situation. So Matroda actually thought, yo, adding this would be pretty dope in a song, and look, it turned out the song's a banger and it's really catchy and it really works, so big props to him. Now before we get started with the tutorial, guys, if you guys want to support the channel, you can go over to evilsounds.com. I have a G-House pack that just got released last week, and today is the last day to get it at $34.99 before it shoots up to $50. So if you guys are in the market for a sample pack, soundback, and project files in the style of G-House, make sure to check it out. There's a dope ass Matroda style project file in there that you can check out on the page, so make sure to check it out if you want to support the channel. If not, it's all good, and let's get started with this tutorial.
Alright guys, so here we are inside of Ableton. So here I have the original song by Matroda. So the first thing I did in order to kind of decipher what he's doing in the track is I copied myself singing the same melody that he was in the track. Now I don't know if they went and got a new vocalist or if one of them got in the studio and did the na na na, but this is the way it came out for me without any post-processing right now. Na 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 na. So you can see I can't stay in key, so the original is gonna go like I said. Okay, so I copied it like that. So what I'm gonna do, and again, I don't do this, don't copy the vocal like that, make your own vocal line, but I'm just showing you guys the process behind it. Now we're not gonna get super identical because like I said, results vary depending on the voice and whatnot, but we can get pretty close. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna cover this so that we can just hear it like this. So I'm hella out of key, my dude. This is like hashtag out of fucking key, man. I'm a little embarrassed there. But what we're gonna do is use Melodyne, guys, which is a pitch correction tool, which is, you know, like the industry standard almost when it comes to correcting audio from vocals. You can go with Alterboy Autotune as well, but the thing I like about Melodyne is that it's like Alterboy Autotune does it for you, but here in Melodyne, we can do everything and decide where everything goes. So we're gonna hit transfer and just play this out. And now we got it right here, so you can see I'm definitely all over the place when it comes to it. So first things first, we're gonna highlight all of these guys. We're gonna go into edit. We're gonna use quantize macros. We're gonna correct pitch. Ideally, you can do this, and you should get started right where, like, on a good path when it comes to it. A lot of times some people say not to do it all the way because you lose the naturalness of a vocal because it's just too perfect. But right now we're gonna have, after we do that, this. Alright, so still needs a bit of work to do, but we're gonna fix that. So ideally here, what we're gonna do just to fix this is we're in the key of G minor. That's what the song is in, so we just need to stick to G minor. So D sharp or D flat, sorry, is not part of that scale. So instantly I know, okay, I need to move this up. This is another though here that's not part of the scale. It's actually B, so we're gonna move that down here, and now we're gonna hear. Alright, so you can see there we have that now, and it sounds pretty cool. So if we hear it right now with the Matroda vibe, and we're gonna start from here. So we got pretty much what we need there. Now from here, there are two things you can do. One, you can go and transpose this down like to, you know, lower C, which would sound like this. Check it out. We would just go down here. But it doesn't sound as good as you can see, and you can see there's some timing issues that happen there. So what I suggest you guys do, and I feel like Matroda did this, is he used a little Alterboy from Soundtoyz, which is a really dope plugin to alter your vocals. From here, a couple things you can do. First off, you can transpose down all the way if you want. But what I suggest you do if you really want to get that vibe that they do is just lower the form in. So from there, really all we just need to do is just process this vocal properly. So you can use like CLA vocals if you want, along with a couple of other ones. So that's what we're going to do to it right now. We're just going to go in, body double. All right, I know it sounds like a little bit of like the autistic version of it, but it's the same format, guys. It's just my voice sucks for this kind of stuff, all right? All right, so once we have that, you know, we can ease up on the little Alterboy, not too much. Let's just ease up on it. All right, there we go. So we have that little CLA vocals working. We're going to use an EQ as well, which we're going to have. We're going to get rid of everything below, because usually when you pitch down vocals and do stuff like that, you get a lot of artifacts in the low. And by the way, if my camera dies, I'm sorry if you guys can't see my beautiful face anymore. So you can see mine's maybe I have a little bit too much highs. So we're gonna use maybe here, this guy here. There's also seems to be like this really high-pitched vocal in the background here, so we can also do that here. We can just use little Alterboy. Hopefully it lets me do. Alright guys, so my camera fucking died and something happened, but we're back! And pretty much here, we're just gonna mess up the formants up so we can get that background high squeaky vocal. We get that there in the background of that, and then let's hear it with the new version here. Alright guys, and that is going to be the end of the tutorial. So as I was making this tutorial, it took me a while to get it to just sound like that. But one of the things that really helped me was to put Matroda's song and then just sing on top of it so that I stay in key with it. So as you're singing a melody, make sure you have like a melody in the background playing that you're going to follow with a synth or wear your headphones and record your voice. It's a lot easier to stay in key when you have something to go with in terms of rhythm and in terms of the melody. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it wasn't super identical. It was like almost there. There's something else missing. But again, like I said, results may vary depending on your voice. Now, if you guys want to support the channel, you can go over to evilsounds.com. Confessions Revolution Volume 3 again goes up in price today, guys. At the end of today, it's going to go up in price. I'll make sure to leave it running till tomorrow for a bit, just because I know some of you guys live on the other side of the world. But if you want to support my channel, you can go there, guys. And if you guys have any tutorials for any suggestions on any artists you like that do certain things that you might want to have demystified, make sure to leave them down in the comments to give me ideas, guys. I do go through them. And you guys have a great weekend, guys. Thank you guys so much for all your support throughout these years, and I can't wait to make new videos for you guys starting Monday again. You guys take care and happy weekend.